Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Today, I'll show you 8 steps to buying your first investment property. Stay tuned. I'll share a basic method for getting your first or next real estate deal. I guarantee that if you follow these 8 steps, you will be successful in real estate. Step 1. Educate yourself so you know exactly what you want to do. We often believe that the route is overly intricate and tough to navigate. However, our lack of activity or movement is due to the fact that we have yet to decide what we want to do. So the first thing you should do is get a general education so you can figure out what you want to do with your life. We like real estate investing because there are so many different things we can do. Do you wish to invest in massive skyscrapers? That's something you can do. Do you wish to acquire a couple of little houses? You can do that. Do you wish to purchase a mobile home? You can do that too. So you can do whatever you want, but the important thing is to make a decision. You must make that decision. If you do not have a very clear notion of what you want to achieve, you will continue to wander around aimlessly. It's similar to looking for a job when you have no idea what type of job you want. It's critical that you figure out what you want to do and acquire that knowledge through general education. Step 2. I want you to practice real estate math until you're an expert. I think the most important skill a real estate investor can have is the ability to analyze a deal. The amazing thing about real estate is that unlike the stock market or almost any other investment in the world, you have no idea how it will come out. However, because we know what the property's general water cost is, we can make quite accurate forecasts about the future of real estate. We know what the average cost of electricity on that property will be, and we know how much a property will rent for. Those are all questions we can answer. So, if you know how to assess those deals, you can see how profitable next year will be 20 years down the road. Is it going to be perfect? Of course not. However, you may get a very good idea of what your future holds. As a result, if you know how to do math extremely well, you can find fantastic offers. Bad ones should be avoided. When you have great deals, you can bring in partners, find more money, get simpler financing, and retire early. All of these benefits come from knowing how to analyze a trade, and as a result, spending a lot of time on it. Step 3. Start looking for bargains online. This pertains to number 2, but I want you to go to sites like Realtor.com, Zillow.com, or Redfin.com, and just find offers to practice with. Begin to crunch the numbers. In fact, I would encourage doing one deal each day. If you make a goal of doing one deal per day, it's similar to working out. If you worked out every single day, you'd quickly learn how to use every machine in the gym. You'd figure out how everything works. You'd pick up the pace and you'd start getting in shape. So, the most important thing is consistency. So start looking for one offer per day that you may discover online and don't worry about purchasing it. Get proficient at running the numbers, which was step 2, and finding those discounts online, which is step 3, in the beginning. It doesn't have to be a terrific bargain this time. Right now, you're just getting your reps in. Step 4, hire a real estate agent, and have that agent set up automatic emails based on any parameters you specify. You'll recall that step 1 was to find what you were searching for. So if you're looking for duplexes or triplexes, have your real estate agent set you up with automatic emails for the type of property you're looking for. You're not just shopping for discounts online, but you've also got a pipeline of deals coming into your inbox that you can start crunching the numbers on. Because here's the thing about real estate, guys. Every property out there has a number that may make it a decent deal. Every house, every property has a number that could make it a good deal. So your job as an investor isn't to go out there and blindly walk around looking for some mysterious great deal that no one seems to have found. Instead, your job is to go out there and find leads, which we just discussed. Get them and analyze them to see how much you can pay for them. Then take a look at your number. Maybe it's close to what they're asking. Maybe it's not. But your job isn't to go out and land a sale. It's to work that process over and over again. Which leads me to my next point. Step 5. Go get pre-approved by a lender. Now, there are a lot of ways to buy real estate, especially if you want to get creative and use other people's money. Find a lender or a bank and have a conversation with them. Maybe they have a cool bank loan that will allow you to do it with less money down. Or maybe you'll have to do something more creative. But either way, you'll know because you went to that lender and had a conversation with them. Step 6. Begin analyzing one deal per day. This relates to a similar topic we discussed earlier, but I'd like you to do it again. You understand that this is a simple procedure. We're just obtaining leads and studying them. But now that you're pre-approved or at least have a concept of how you're going to finance that deal, I want you to analyze one property every single day, regardless of how you got the lead. Step 7. Make a weekly offer. Because you've analyzed 7 deals that week, make an offer. So select the one that's the most similar to what they're asking for and make an offer. Do you have any idea how much it costs to make an offer? Nothing. Why not ask? It's free to make an offer, so why are so many individuals afraid to do so? In fact, every time I talk to a new investor, they tell me I can't locate any opportunities. How many offers did you make this week? Is a question I always ask them. Do you know what the answer is all of the time? None. Well, making any offers is like the guy who's just sitting at home at 50 years old without a girlfriend or wife, saying, I can't find anyone. I'm like, well, have you ever asked anybody out? Well, no. Then there's your problem. You won't get the results you want unless you go out and pursue those things. As a result, step 7 was to begin making one offer every week. And step 8, repeat steps 6 and 7. Analyze, offer. Analyze, offer, till a deal is made. That's what I meant when I said there's a guaranteed process. If you just keep repeating steps 6 and 7 over and over, you're going to get better if you study and make an offer. You'll learn how to generate better leads and improve your finance skills. You'll find folks you can work with, but if you stick to finding leads, doing the math on them, and making offers, you'll get the deals you want in the long run. And with that said, I hope this video can help you gain more knowledge and stay out of trouble. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.